Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of switch account on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of switch account on Messenger app, we click on settings. In the first, you can click on Messenger app and you can click. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can click in the end you can turn off your phone, and in the end you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.